Well, hello. Today I'm going to talk about nuisance tripping. When your power just goes off randomly, apparently no reason. And the reason in my case was this. Yes, it's a washing machine element. And if you look very carefully here, you can see these black marks. And basically this is on its way out. It still works at the moment, but when it gets hot, when the washing machine gets up to temperature, it causes the power to trip. How did I discover this was the problem? Well, first of all, I eliminated everything else in the house apart from the washing machine. Then I know with washing machines, because washing machines are very simple, there's only really three things that cause it to trip. The first one is if the brushes on the motor have worn out so far it touches the edge of the chassis of the motor. The second one is the heater element. And then the third reason that washing machines usually trip is because the capacitors have gone on the logic board. Now this is a nice Bosch machine, as it showed in previous videos, so it's actually really simple. I already had the brushes, I changed the brushes and it kept tripping. Did some experimentation. When you washed on cold it didn't trip, so I knew it was the element. Change the element, really easy. Here's some footage of me doing it that was taken by my child, so it's not particularly in focus, but never mind. As you can see, all you do is unplug the machine, obviously, turn off the water, obviously, unconnect the power and the water, turn it on its back, then you just remove this nut here, remove these two fish plates here. To take it out, you need to remove the bottom bezel and two screws, and it just feeds through the machine, as you can possibly see in this bit of footage that I'm going to put in. Really, actually a very easy job. Stuff the new one in, which is about 15 quid. Bob's your uncle. So you can have a go at doing this. Obviously you need to make sure that this rubber seal is in there tightly. What this little screw does is it tightens up, if I show you here, this little screw tightens up this rubber seal, which obviously stops the water from leaking all over the floor. So you need to make sure that's tight, and if your element has cracked, you might have difficulty getting it out. This element kind of works. The thing about leakage is often the equipment will still work, it will just cause the power to trip. But that's kind of what you want, because you don't want it to catch fire. So I hope that's of some use, and good luck repairing your domestic appliances when you're not doing your proper job, like sysadmin or whatever it is I'm supposed to be doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that's of some use. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.